Welcome. Today we're trying to finish the Pokemon 151 Master Set. I'll be opening Costco Mini Tins, which can be hit or miss. The last tins I opened were amazing. After opening nearly 100 packs, we still need the Arbok EX and all 7 special illustration rares. We'll open 10 more packs, put any new hits in the binder, open a bonus pack, and reveal a card that I found earlier in the week. Let's check out the binder. I really haven't had the best luck, so maybe today is the day we finally pull a special illustration rare. As you can see, we still need most of the heavy hitters. I've picked up a couple of cards from card shops and shows. A couple are from a friend that I traded with, and the rest were pulled by me or my fiancée. Now let's rip some packs. Starting out with the Pikachu, Squirtle, Charmander, and Bulbasaur Cosmic Holos. I have a few of those now, so I might actually send some of those to get graded. Now let's get these 10 packs out of their tins and get ripping. I'm hoping to pull one of the more expensive cards in the set, like Charizard, because I'm going to complete the set no matter what. It would be nice to save some cash on singles whenever that time comes. We've got a Magnemite, Hitmonlee, Wartortle, Hypno, Magikarp Reverse Holo, Seadra Reverse Holo, and an Electrode. I love opening 151, and it is by far my favorite set. I could open it forever. There's so many great cards in it, and I wouldn't mind having duplicates of a lot of the cards for different binders, or potentially to even get some graded. Clefable, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee, Bulbasaur Reverse Holo, Machoke Reverse Holo, and a Raichu. I was lucky enough to find all of these tins at MSRP, so they're actually some of the least expensive packs I can even find in my area. It does seem like there are slightly more products sitting on the shelves now, which is quite nice. Got a Weeping Bell, Executor, Graveler, Arcanine, Chansey Reverse Holo, Victory Bell, and a Kabutops. Master set means different things to different people, so I want to be clear with my specific goals or criteria. I am collecting all the cards in the set, secret rares, and I'm planning to get all the reverse holos as well. I already have the promo cards, but I'm not overly worried about stamped cards or regular non-holos. Hopefully that makes sense. Reverse holo Wartortle, and a Zapdos EX. That's pretty nice. I have quite a few different Zapdos cards, and it's one of my favorite Pokemon, so it's really not a bad pull at all. We'll take it. That's not a bad pull at all, but like everyone else, I would love to come across a God Pack. Maybe it's this one. Poliwag, Ponyta, Pikachu, Charmeleon, Parasect, Giovanni's Riz, Dugtrio Reverse Holo, Rattata Reverse Holo, and a Vileplume. I'm quite excited for the new Team Rocket set. I wasn't the biggest fan of Journey Together, and I still haven't found my Articuno, but I'd like to open a decent amount of Destined Rivals. Sparrow, Rhyhorn, Kingler, Snorlax, Sandslash, Reverse Polygon, Porygon, Old Amber Reverse, and a Machamp. Journey Together only had a couple cards that I really like to have, but Destined Rivals has at least 30 cards I like to add to my collection. My favorites being Mewtwo, Moltres, Nidoking, Psyduck, and Meowth has a really cool card too. But we got a Seadra here, a Kabuto, Persian Reverse, Meowth Reverse, and a Chansey. I like to collect cards that are Pokemon I really like, and some just because I like the art. Obviously, full art cards are the best, but I really like collecting EX and even regular cards for Pokemon that are special to me. Got a Seeking, Butterfree, Machop Reverse, Weedle Reverse, and a Kabutops. I do have a few more boxes of 151 that I will be opening in the future, so subscribe if you don't want to miss what's inside those. Got a Tentacool, Dodrio, Rattata, Giovanni's Riz, Cloyster, Grabber, Dugtrio Reverse, Aerodactyl Reverse, and a Vileplume.
I'm thinking of making a video where I try to get the rest of the cards I need for the set. Not yet, but possibly in the future. And that would be at a card show, local card shop, marketplace, or all of the above. If that's something you think I should do, please leave a comment below and let me know. War Turtle, Reverse Porygon, Reverse Omanite, and a Machamp. Surging Sparks is the bonus pack we're opening today. Hopefully we can find that Pikachu. Well, we didn't get the Pikachu, and all we got was this Zapdos ZX from 10 packs of 151, but I did pick up this Gold Psychic Energy at my local card shop this week, and I figured it was an inexpensive card that I likely wouldn't pull anytime soon. Thank you for watching, and check out this video where I had some of my best pulls from 151 yet.